How to install your Wi-Fi dual lens smart camera with PTZ Floodlight. For proper operation, the camera must be installed outdoors on a wall or eave, 8.25 feet, 2.5 meters above the ground. Make sure you have everything you need on hand. First, all the parts included in the package. Additionally, you may need these tools, not included: Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, pliers, wire stripper, circuit tester, work gloves, electrical tape, safety glasses, ladder. Turn off the switch that controls the camera's circuit before continuing with the installation. Then, open the electrical box and locate the wires: line, live, neutral, and ground. Likewise, on the Floodlight, identify the same wires. At this point, you can take the EVA gasket and place it on the bottom side of the Floodlight in the designated position to act as a moisture seal. Now let's connect the wires. First neutral to neutral, then ground to ground, and finally line to line. Secure each connection with the appropriate wire connectors and protect them with electrical tape or plastic caps. Verify that all wire connections are tight and fully insulated. Make sure the arrow on the plate is pointing upward. Once aligned, tighten the screw located at the center of the mounting plate using a screwdriver. Now take the mounting screws and secure the plate to the electrical box. Return to the Floodlight and locate the center opening on the front. Insert and tighten the central screw until fully seated. You'll see the screw tip come out through the back of the Floodlight. Then, place all wires back inside the electrical box. Now align the screw tip on the Floodlight with the center opening of the mounting plate and secure it until the Floodlight is completely fixed. Next, take the rubber gasket included in the package and place it over the central screw opening to protect it from moisture. How to install the camera on the Floodlight. Take the camera and locate the slot on the top side. Align the camera's slot with the tabs on the mount. Rotate the camera counterclockwise until it locks firmly into place. Now connect the USB-C plug on the mount to the camera's USB-C port. Finally, turn the circuit switch back on. Your smart Wi-Fi dual lens camera with Floodlight is now installed and ready to be set up in the Nexxt Home app.